What's up guys, welcome to the channel and thank you for tuning in. So there's been a lot of talk on social media about Jayda Cheaves and Lil Baby. Now you all know that their on again and off again relationship has been a roller coaster ride. They broke up last year due to infidelity after dating for almost 6 years. Jayda and Lil Baby rekindled their relationship a couple of months ago. Now fans are speculating that Jayda Cheaves, also known as Jayda, might be expecting a second child with rapper Lil Baby. Jayda posted an innocent video on TikTok and fans were convinced that she might be having another baby after they seen a multiple OBGYN appointments on her calendar. Some even claim that she appears to be expecting based on her recent photos and the fact that she hasn't been seen drinking lately. So there's a lot of pictures and videos where people think that Jayda has a little pudge or a little baby bump and they thought that she was pregnant with a baby number 2. And there was this clip that came out where someone said that allegedly Lil Baby had another woman pregnant.
Oh, Naomi Campbell?
No.
Who?
Jayda. That bitch is pregnant. I don't give a fuck with nobody.
You think she pregnant?
Yes, I do.
They ain't skipped over that. TikTok went crazy with her OBGYN appointment in the background of that video.
She definitely
y'all.
She definitely coming out with a baby. I don't give a fuck with nobody.
What we call that? Project twins? When you having 2 babies at the same time? By
what?
Who? He got somebody else pregnant?
Never mind. Moving along.
What's T? Auntie?
Hold
on.
Moving along. What's the next
No. You not gonna skip past that.
No. Yes, we is.
Who?
Yeah. Come on now. What's next?
Now he got an LA bitch pregnant.
Another note.
Auntie got T.
Jayda has been posting plenty videos and pictures and her stomach is flat, so some people feel like Jayda terminated the pregnancy since Lil Baby allegedly got another woman pregnant. This Twitter user said, Jayda for sure was pregnant by Baby. I don't care what y'all say. Good for her. She thought about that ish. Ain't nothing worse than being home pregnant while a ninja out having the time of his life with another bee. So another Twitter user chimed in and said the internet made Jayda wear the pregnant, then said she went to the clinic or had an A word. Whole time she never said a thing. Another user said, what if Jayda was pregnant, she had a miscarriage? Why do y'all think she had an A word? Another Twitter user chimed in and said, did Jayda tell y'all she had an A word? Maybe she had a miscarriage. Maybe she was never pregnant. Maybe y'all should mind y'all business and stop assuming ish like that. Someone else said, constantly saying that Jayda got an A word is so wild to me because she never once announced she was even pregnant. But if she was and lost it would suck. Y'all really be too invested. That situation would be really devastating. Everybody thinking that she had an A word and she probably was pregnant and she didn't tell anybody. And then she ended up having a miscarriage and everybody is assuming that, she went to the clinic. So that would be very unfortunate. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on that down in the comment section below. And now we're going to move on to the next topic, which is about Latto. So Latto was performing at Rolling Loud and somebody decided to throw their phone at her and she was obviously pissed off. I'll never understand why people pay to go see these celebrities and these artists and then throw things at them. Like, you paid to go see them just to throw something at them. It don't make no sense. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on both of these topics down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.